So in this, now we will be talking about the class 3 antiarrhythmic drugs, and that is potassium channel blockers. And we know if the potassium channel is blocked, it will cause a delayed repolarization, and that's what is going to prolong the QT interval, just like class 1A. And this is torsade facts will be because of this QT prolongations, and its maximum with ibutylite and minimum with amiodarons. And first of all we need to know what are the drugs in class 3, and for that we have mnemonic that's from the black diva. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, but to me K, when the letter K is there, it gives some C. Yeah, so you can make some mnemonic thing. If it is K, it means somewhere equals to C, curve, that is K and C curves. And if we are talking about the curves, then we are talking about some models, some divas. So it's the black diva. And yeah, so that's how we can make it. If it's about diva, it's about curves, it's about K, it's about potassium channel blockers. That's it. And it's Sundar black diva. And from Sundar S, we get S, and that is the hint, it is sotalolols. Then B, then black, that is tritiums, that is some little bit out of the track. It's not combining, but still it's tritylums. So black tetra pack we can understand. So it's something you're drinking in a tetra pack, and that's black. And yeah, there is tetras from tetrarion into again make out like tritylums. And diva, D for dofetilide, I for ibutylide. So if we split the spellings, DOFETILIDE, light. From light we can think of some pride, and if you're diva, that's a pride for the nation, for for everyone around you. So that is light and pride, understood. DI, again ibutylide, I say. From I we have ibutylide, so light is again pride. So that is, these two will be light and pride. So simply you can understand we have something in lights. Prides means that is linked with potassium channel blockers. Now now from D we can understand dofetilide. So it is D or do. So if you're a diva, you will get more energy, you will find like you're more confident, and you will do more work for maybe benefit of the humanity, because that is a great platform to raise your voice and to help out people who need the help. So yeah, so just dofetilide, simple. And then I, light we know from pride, and I diva, and then I butylide. So it's just I am a diva. Why can't we consider ourselves like that way? So right, I am a diva. But if you are a boy, then you can't be a diva, of course, diva for girls. So you will say I am a diva, but I am a boy, so I butylide, as simple. Now DIVA, V for virunaclant. So this is a different name over here, so we can understand from here. Okay, right, so it's Varna, VERNAKALANT. See, if you're a girl, it's awesome, you're a diva. But if you're a boy, then also it's awesome, but you won't be a diva. Means can we split this statement into some English type of thing? Like if you're a girl, you're a diva, but what means Varna? If you're a boy, we can understand that way only. Varna, you are not a girl, you are not a diva. If you're a boy, then you are not a diva. You might be something, maybe you are Mr. World or Mr. India, whatever. So for you people, we have different platform. So from but we can make thing like Varna. Some Varna is there, like otherwise is there, some other option is there, some alternative is there on gender basis. If you're a girl, you will go into diva thing, Miss Diva. If you're a boy, you will go for Mr. India or Mr. World. So that is Varna. Otherwise some alternative is there. I think it is very good one now. And next is DIVA, for amiodarone. I think this is the most used drug in our CVS abnormalities. So nothing to learn in this. Make mnemonic there is nothing. So it was all about Sundar Black Diva. Black was not letting to the tritiums, but we can make out like coal tar is there, that is black. Trees, black, resins maybe, which get crusted for long terms from brown to black. They will look like we have seen in childhood. Or Tetra Pak, I was saying black Tetra Packs. Maybe Appy drink, apple fruit drink, maybe packaged in black, if I'm not wrong, that has black packaging. So this is about class 3 drugs. We know, okay, fine, these are the class 3. Class 3 means curves means diva. So risperidone, so these are drugs from the black diva, and divas are prides. So we can, from pride we can make some same pronunciation of lights. And then so next is amidarones. Little bit about amidarones. It is most important because it's not only blocking the potassium ions but also sodium ions, calcium ions, alpha blocker, beta blocker. So it has wide spectrum. It is wide spectrum antiarrhythmic drug. Now it has widest spectrum, so it means something, it is very high drug, some hi-fi drug. So therefore it has high volume of hi-fi drug is amiodarone. So it has high volume of distribution, and therefore we have to give the very big dose, that is called loading dose. Also it is a drug of choice for ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation, and drug of choice, that's just from here in these antiarrhythmics we are mostly talking about ventricular tachycardia and fibrillations only. So, and when you are a diva, you are Miss Diva, then it's a V sign, it's victory, and therefore it has to do definitely with ventricular tachycardia and fibrillations, not atrial flutter and fibrillations. Right now, according to the knowledge, it's ventricular tachycardia and fibrillation. Not the expert, prone to make mistakes, but whatever is, I'm trying my best. Whatever is I'm learning should be mistake free. Alright. So next is a drug of choice, ventricular tachycardia and fibrillations, and then definitely we can also control the rhythms because sodium ions can also be blocked by it. So it's wide spectrum, it's wide range. Now if it is controlling rhythm, means coming some from above. So definitely now it's ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, atrial fibrillations, and atrial flutter. So overall role we can use. And moreover, it is why it is preferred that we want drugs which should not be short acting, which should be long acting, so that the effect of its action should be for a long term of time. So that is antiarrhythmic. So it's longest acting antiarrhythmics, and that is for 53 days. Next is some lights we are trying on ibutylites. So DIVA, diva. Pride means lied. I am a diva, but if I am a boy, Varna I am a boy, then I am a Mr. India, Mr. World. So ibutylite. We're talking about ibutylites. So it's a short-term pride, if you too much brag about your success, I am this, I am that, I am a diva, then you're bragging about yourself, and the success will always stays for a short time. So one day you will fall, one day you will raise. So therefore it's the shortest acting potassium blocker. I guess it makes some sense. I means pride, and shortest acting, short lasting pride, also short lasting success. And IV treatment of the acute attack. So we'll give it IV, and we can use, if there's something is shortest acting, we can go for, we will use that thing for acute attacks, like acute, that is for the atrial fibrillation, for the atrial flutter emergency conditions you will use ibutylite. For the atrial fibrillation flutters, that's what we did back. And now coming to Varna Kalant. Varna, say if you're Mr. World or Mr. India, Varna, you're, we have linked somewhere Miss Diva, girls, Mr. World, Mr. India, boys, Varna, but. So again, multi-ion channel blocker. Now Varna, your boy, your girl, Diva, Mr. India, Miss India. What we are doing? Multi-talented people. So therefore, Varna is a multi-ion channel blocker. That is sodium, potassium, and calcium. And again, if something is multi-channel blocker, then we can have a wide spectrum of usage of these things. And first of all, atrial fibrillation acts on atrium, and then it is a drug which is not causing QT prolongation, and that is an exception. If you're multi-talented, you will be talented enough to prevent that side effect of QT prolongations or torsades effects. So therefore, it doesn't cause QT prolongation. And then the side effect is cardiogenic shock. If you have such a good talent, such a good, if you're not even causing the side effect which class 3 potassium channel blockers are prone to cause, that is QT prolongation torsades, it means you're awesome, but there will be some effect also. Okay, maybe I can say I'm shocked that this is such a multi-talented. If you're shocked, means there is some sort of side effect which is related to shock, that is cardiogenic shock. So therefore it's not approved by FDA. Next is dofetilide. It's dofetilide, again DIVA, D for pride, that is light. And if you are diva, then you can definitely do something good for the community. That is dofetilide. So it has a combination of usage like ibutylide can be used in atrial fibrillation, and like amiodarone, it can be used in ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation. So overall the same action just like ibutylides and amiodarone, and can be taken orally. So oral viability is 100%. And in 2 you have something called ODO, so oral viability is 100%. Next is tritium, that is black coltac, black tetrapagapi, and beta blocker. So uses again ventricular fibrillation, and D for deuterium, C for DV fibrillator. We can link it. So this is known as medical defibrillator. So we can use it in the ventricular fibrillation. Side effect will be hypertensions and so side effect of this deuterium will be hypertension. We don't take tension, just having black packed apple fruit drink, we are alright, so don't take tension. So something hypertension we can understand from here. Next is sotalol's treatment, sotalol, so Sundar. That is again same. This class is just for ventricular fibrillation and flutters and VT defibrillators and ventricular tachycardias, defibrillations. Next is the last drug here, that is the black diva, amiodarone, multi-action. Again it has block all channels, sodium, potassium, calcium, and alpha blocker, beta blocker, and it has its derivative, that's iodine, that is dronidarones. From drones we can make sense. Okay, it has darone, that is it's somewhere derivative, but because it's less toxic, but still it's less efficacious, that's the point. And action will be similar to amiodarones. So it is category X. If it is drone, means something like drones flying in the air, and something terrorist, something violence, X. So it's category X drug. We can't use in pregnancy, lactations, or CHF. And T half is 24 hours. So food will increase the absorption. In pregnancy, if it's so hungry, so it's contraindicated in that. And from hungry we can understand food. So it has some link with food. So its absorption will be increased with food intake. Okay, and then we have some side effects. Okay, so we have some side effects of these amidarones, and this is important to learn. And for that we have in one mnemonic, that is potassium channel blockers makes liver and skin toxics. So it's about the potassium channel, and if it's about potassium, we learned it's girls and diva and girl. It means, and they're more conscious about their skin, and so, and maybe liver diseases. Now it's just a mnemonic thing, and they might be more affected. Liver is more affected in girls. It's just a mnemonic. There's no fact and logic and nothing like that. So it's potassium channel blockers makes liver and skin more skin toxic. Now from potassium, the side effect is pulmonary fibrosis, because it acts on type 2. It's going to cause type 2 pneumocytes damage. So for preventing that, we'll use prednisolone, but it's going to cause pulmonary fibrosis. Next is potassium channel. From channel means C, and its corneal deposits will be occurring because of these potassium channel blockers, and that's when it's going to cause whirl-like patterns you will get, or vortex patterns you will get, corneal ventriculates will get. And definitely now we are thinking that something is affecting the cornea, means Fabry's disease. And then from that we will again now try our best. Not only amiodarone, but there are some other drugs also which are